place names and travel. Let's break down some of the most important towns, landmarks, and natural wonders you'll see on your journey. Icelandic place names can look scary, but their structure and form is actually quite logical once you get your head around how they're formed and you've practiced how to pronounce them a few times. Reykjavík, Reykjavík, Reykjavík. Reykjavík is, of course, the capital of Iceland. Literal translation, Smoky Bay. Akureyri, Akureyri, Akureyri. Akureyri is the largest town in the north of Iceland. We might call it the capital of the north. And of course, Ísland, 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 Iceland. Keflavík, Keflavík, Keflavík. Keflavík is where the international airport is. So when you fly to Iceland from abroad, you will always land in Keflavík. The literal translation of the name is Bay of Driftwood. Egilsstaðir, Egilsstaðir, Egilsstaðir. And the literal translation of this is Egil's place. Selfoss, Selfoss, Selfoss. The literal translation of this place is Seal Waterfall. Húsavík, Húsavík. Sometimes called the whale-watching capital of Iceland. Literal translation is House Bay, and it plays a very significant role in the Eurovision movie.
No, but seriously, don't come to Iceland! We don't want you! You might be killed by elves!
Vestmannaeyjar, 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 the Westman Islands. Þingvellir, 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 Parliament Fields. And this is a place of great historical significance to Iceland. Close to Þingvellir is Gullfoss, 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 one of the most famous waterfalls in all of Iceland. Literal translation, Golden Waterfall, or Waterfall of Gold. Dettifoss, Dettifoss, Dettifoss. Dettifoss is Europe's most powerful waterfall. The literal name of this waterfall is Falling Waterfall. Snæfellsnes, Snæfellsnes, Snæfellsnes. Literal translation, Snow Mountain Peninsula. Vatnajökull, Vatnajökull, the largest glacier in Iceland. And the literal translation is water glacier. Seyðisfjörður, Seyðisfjörður, Seyðisfjörður. This is a truly iconic place in the east of Iceland. It also happens to be my hometown, so I care a great deal about it, and it is known all over as a very quaint, beautiful, little iconic town, truly. Seyðisfjörður. Landmannalaugar, Landmannalaugar, Landmannalaugar. This is a highland area in Iceland. Literal translation would be something like Landmannapóls. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching. If you want more, I teach Icelandic one-on-one. I have online courses for beginners and tourists. All the information is listed in the details below. And thank you for watching. Takk fyrir að horfa. Takk fyrir og bless bless.